Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and freeing resources so Stage Manager can run smoothly. Once done, back up any unsaved work and close apps hogging CPU or memory. Next, open Control Center and toggle Stage Manager on. This immediately changes window behavior. You'll see current apps cluster to the left. That's your new workspace rail. Make sure to enable displays have separate spaces if using multiple monitors, so Stage Manager arranges windows correctly across screens. Now you organize windows into focused groups. Drag one app onto another to create a set. This groups related tasks so you don't lose context. Once grouped, use Command Tab to switch apps within Stage Manager smoothly and invoke Mission Control when you need an overview. Resize windows to prioritize a main app and snap side utilities into place. Doing so reduces distractions. If you need to add or remove apps from a set, drag them in or out. Stage Manager updates instantly for fluid workflow. To finalize, pin frequently used sets by keeping them visible on the left so you can jump back instantly. Once comfortable, memorize shortcuts to cycle through sets and adjust sizes for repeatable efficiency. This saves time each session. If Stage Manager behaves oddly, first toggle it off and on in Control Center. That resolves most glitches. If problems persist, log out or restart your Mac to reset the Windows server. Finally, check for macOS updates. Apple often fixes edge case bugs in point releases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.